Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable call forwarding on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. From here, just tap on calling accounts. Now from here, just select the SIM card you want to set call forwarding on. Just like that. Now just tap on call forwarding. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to set call forwarding settings. Now from here, as you can see, you have a few options. You can set call forwarding on always, or you can set call forwarding when you're busy. You can set it on when unanswered, or you can set it on when unreachable. I will select when busy. Now from here, just enter the number where you want your calls to be forwarded. Now just tap on turn on. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to enable call forwarding. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled call forwarding when we are busy. Now once you do that, your smartphone will forward all the calls to the number you entered when you're busy. And this is how to enable call forwarding on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.